This is the Riga-13, a moped Latvian motorcycle from the 80s. This classic bike has been through decades of wear and tear. Can the restorer bring it back to life? And today, the expert at HandMax has decided to take on the ultimate challenge. This man is a pro when it comes to the restoration game. Be sure to check their channel and give them a follow. And I will be walking you through the entire process. Tucked away in a storehouse for what looked like decades, it had a story to tell. Once the bike got to the workshop, reality set in and my rust-free optimism was completely shattered. The battle against rust had begun, and this comeback story of this Riga-13 motorcycle was officially underway. While working away, he stumbled on two 1987 Russian kopeck coins tucked inside one of the wheels. The restorer's intelligence is extraordinary, really solid. Well done. Meticulous workmanship. amazing! You can truly say that the step-by-step work on the engine could be used as instruction manual. Thanks to the master for an excellent job. He literally pulled out a box packed with new head gasket covers. He worked so hard working on the frame. In a blink of an eye, this rusty, worn-out frame became a stunning piece of machinery. Now everything is prepped and ready. It's time for the paint job. I could not take my eyes off this fantastic job. It's just beautiful to see every piece coming together. From the front fork to the frame and wheels. This man has golden hands. So much patience and diligence. Thanks to the master for an excellent job. Everything is done with soul. That whirring sound of gears in the clutch makes me remember my childhood. What a delight! How careful every detail was restored. There are simply no words for his talent. Thanks to this man at HandMax for going an extra mile just to restore the legacy of 1983 Riga-13. He truly deserves the recognition, love, and respect. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to check out other restoration stories on our channel. Will this bike run again? There it is. The engine came alive. That's not just a sound, it was a song of victory, resilience, and craftsmanship. Off he went into the distance. This is the result of someone who loves his work and knows what he is doing, ultimately bringing the restoration to a conclusion.